How to use IFPC Car Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. IFPC Car Insurance is one of Denmark's leading providers, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy doesn't guarantee full protection. You need to know how to use it properly. A major mistake is relying solely on liability coverage. While it satisfies legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own vehicle. Comprehensive coverage protects your car and finances, especially if it is new or valuable. Misunderstanding deductibles is another common error. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but may leave you paying more after a claim. Choosing the right deductible is essential. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes such as moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new car can affect coverage. Not updating IFPC may result in denied claims or gaps in protection. Many drivers overlook discounts. IFPC offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundled policies. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow payouts. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize IFPC Car Insurance Denmark. Ensure proper coverage, select the right deductible, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps your insurance effective and provides peace of mind every time you drive.